2012 Hyundai Veloster. The Veloster's innovative body style and unique design make it unlike any other small car out there. Pair that with fuel efficiency that pushes the 40 MPG barrier, and you've got one sweet ride. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo with CD player and MP3 WMA capability, center armrest, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, power windows, CD player, trip computer, overhead console, brake assist, tachometer, rear window wiper, rear wiper. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.